Hey guys, we are going over quiz 1.06 and this is example 3. So Susan's going to rotate triangle ABC 180 degrees about one of the labeled points. So how many points are touching the pre-image, that blue triangle, when you use these points as the center of rotation? So that's what we're going to talk about. So I'm going to try to kind of rotate these for you if I can, to kind of show you what's going on here. So let's see. Okay, so we'll make it about the same size. I wonder if we can remove the background. Let's try. There we go, sort of. All right, so we kind of got it. So it's right here, and we rotate it 180 degrees. That's half of a circle. So we rotate it till it is down like this. So you see that it's touching here, here, here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at least 5 points. So D has at least 5 points. All right, so let's see if we can't try this other one. So we turn it back. Okay, right here. It's not quite on top. A little bit. That's more closer. Okay, so now we're going to try F, which is over here. So if we rotate this, that means it would move all the way on the other side here, or way out here. It's going to stay, like C will stay the same distance from F, a half a circle away, which it will be, instead of being in front of F, so it would say it would be behind F. So really it would move like, hang on, this, and be more, maybe not quite so much that way, maybe more like this. And the distance between C and F is to be way off page. I can't get it there, but it'd be way over here. So there would be no points touching the pre-image. So no points. Okay. All right. Oh, hang on. We didn't want to do that. Now let's bring it back. Rotate it around one more time. We're going to use E this time. So E's here, and like I said, 180 degrees is like a, remember that's our straight angle or straight line, so it's going to be right down here. So it's going to rotate all the way up, but the points are going to stay the same distance. So you can see none of those are going to touch. I want to try one more. Let's try when we rotate it using one of the points that are on the triangle, not inside the triangle, but actually on the triangle. So like A. So if we rotated it 180 degrees about A, it's going to rotate once again 180 degrees, straight line, and it's around A. So A would be the only one touching. So if you use one of these points, same thing for B or C. There would just be 1 point touching. So down here, point on the triangle as the center of rotation. Only 1 point is touching the pre-image. And that is example 3.